see a man in a hotel room. Why?
It's not what you think. It's
Caroline, who is this man?
I can explain. It's not what happened. It's not even how you are thinking about it. It's not like that.
I heard all that he said. How both of you were so happy in each other's arms, and how you also agreed to see tomorrow morning.
It's not how you are thinking about it. If I can just explain, you understand. It's not like that. Let me just explain.
Caroline, why? Caroline, why?
Not like that. Let me just explain.
Carol,
Explain. You understand.
Caroline!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.